People caught in life-threatening situations from rising and raging floodwaters in Ilocos Norte can thank the Philippine Coast Guard who pulled them out of danger during Typhoon Nando's passage. To include at least 14,000 others in the region preemptively evacuated to safe refuge. Meanwhile, there is no let-up in DSWD relief efforts with its distribution of family food packs to affected localities, even after the typhoon's exit from the country, as we hear more from Ryan Lisiges.
In the midst of the onslaught of Super Typhoon Nando, the Philippine Coast Guard carried out relentless rescue operations and provided assistance to families affected by the storm. In Ilocos Sur, the PCG successfully rescued 4 individuals after water levels rose in the Buaya River. Using ropes, residents were safely led to a more secure area. 10 families, including children, were also rescued in La Paz, Lawag City, Ilocos Norte from the storm's impact. Although preemptive evacuation was initiated by the PCG, they still faced heavy rain and strong winds while escorting residents to safer areas. Emergency evacuation were also conducted by PCG teams in other parts of Ilocos. Using flashlights and ropes, PCG personnel did not hesitate to guide families through the darkness to safety. In total, the PCG reported evacuating more than 14,000 individuals, equivalent to over 4,000 families. They came from northeastern and northwestern Luzon.
So nung nabigyan po tayo ng advisory na posibleng ito ay maging super typhoon, with coordination po sa ating LGU ay nag-conduct na po tayo kaagad na preemptive evacuation. Kaya nung dumating na po itong bagyo, ang ginawa na lang po natin is more of relief distribution po doon sa mga na-evacuate po natin ng mga individuals and families.
Although Super Typhoon Nando has exited Philippine area of responsibility, the PCG remains on red alert. This is part of their preparation for the expected entry of another storm.
24/7 po naka-standby at naka-activate ang lahat po ng ating mga deployable response group. So itong DRG na ito ay may kasama po tayo mga rescue swimmers and mga medical personnel. At bukod po sa DRG po natin ay naka-standby na rin po ang lahat ng ating mga air assets, floating assets, kasama po yung mga radio equipment.
The PCG continues to coordinate with affected LGUs. Meanwhile, the DSWD is also distributing family food packs to impacted residents. In fact, almost 11,000 family food packs have been distributed across 5 regions. The data covers distribution from the time Typhoon Mirasol struck up to the impact of Super Typhoon Nando, which intensified the effects of the Habagat. Ryan Lisiges from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.